He's throwing out the ingots from there, which is now going up from this. He's stamping it there, the company's mark. This is where it's being poured into the molds, which is rotating continuously, and the heat has been completed, so it is just pouring out the melted aluminium. And then this is the factory. They use gas for this furnace. This is the furnace, and you can see how the processing is happening, clearing out all the scrap that comes in. The whole unit, and these are the blocks, ingots that is going on. So these are processing the scrap that has come in from various places.